Welcome to your daily bright brainy dose. I'm Loreto. Today we talk about how to reduce belly fat in one night. Even those of us with flat bellies have some tummy fat. Although it is typical, too much of it can have a more detrimental effect on your health than other forms of fat. Not always being healthy equates to being overweight. There are many wonderful instances of obese people who are in superb health. On the other hand, there are just as many instances of thin people who have metabolic problems. All of that occurs because the subcutaneous fat does not lead to numerous health issues. Only discomfort is felt when looking at it from a cosmetic angle. The belly fat, also known as the fat in the abdominal cavity, is the actual monster. It not only compromises your health but is also one of the hardest forms of fat to lose. Since your clothing feels snug, abdominal fat is more than simply an annoyance. What may cause health issues? You may inquire. Here is the solution. While some fat is found just beneath your skin, other fat is found deep within, near your organs, lungs, heart, and liver. Visceral fat is the kind of fat that is unhealthy for everyone, including those who are thin. So, hold up on your quick disappointment. However, some visceral fat is necessary. Decide why. Yes, as your organs are surrounded by cushions. But once more, you should be aware of the dosage because too much of it might result in high blood pressure, heart conditions, and even some malignancies. Now, how can you tell whether your abdominal fat is too much? There is an easy method for doing it. Did you wrap a measuring tape around your waist? You may now measure your waist. Please remember to perform this action while standing, not while sitting. Starting and ending at your belly button will make it simpler and offer you more accurate measurements. Now, unwind if you're a lady with a waist size of under 35 inches. The situation is fine. If it measures more than 35 inches, you should definitely take this diet into consideration. We're about to unveil a secret in a flash. And if you're a male, a waist measurement of less than 40 inches seems to be okay. You should be concerned if you are over 40 inches. And dieting would be an excellent solution. A pear-shaped person has hips and thighs that are larger than their waistline, whereas an apple-shaped person has a broader waist than their hips and thighs. In actuality, pears are thought to be safer than apples. Why? You have too much visceral fat in your body if your belly is larger than an apple, which is a sign that you have too much belly fat. Therefore, even if you are not overweight or obese but your measurements reveal that you have too much additional fat around your midsection, you should think about how to get rid of it. It seems like a difficult task. Don't give up too quickly. You'll be pleased to learn that this job may be finished in a single day. In this video, we're going to demonstrate a really efficient and rapid method for losing abdominal fat. And not just that, have you ever attempted a diet? Most likely yes. You are aware of how draining it may be as a result. This diet will not only help you lose extra weight and burn those unhealthy calories, but it will also help you get rid of your muffin top. Additionally, you'll benefit from a cleansed physique. Smoothies, juices, and teas are all part of the regimen, which is especially wonderful for tea aficionados. All of this works as a drink detox that also quickly cleanses your body, giving you an energy boost. But the most essential thing is that you will learn how to acquire a flat stomach and be able to utilize it any time it is needed. Are you prepared to learn about the most incredible diet ever? Here is how to go about it. At 8 in the morning, drink a glass of warm water that has been flavored with lemon juice. A strong start. Take another glass of warm water with apple or orange juice after a few hours. Are you interested in it? After that, get a cup of green tea at lunchtime. Very good. You ought to sip a glass of ice-cold water mixed with carrot juice after an hour. Take a cup of your preferred tea at 3 o'clock. So far, how do you like it? Have a glass of your preferred juice at 5 o'clock. Your favorite aspect of the diet may be that. Take one more cup of green tea after a few more hours. Get a glass of water with grapefruit juice around 9 o'clock. Almost there, it seems. Finally, you should conclude the diet in the same manner that you began it, at 10 p.m., after another hour. Take a sip of some lemon-flavored warm water. The most crucial aspect is that you shouldn't add any artificial substances to your beverages. Your stomach will become flat in just 24 hours, which you may find difficult to believe. Additionally, your body will eliminate all the pollutants. What are you still holding out for? Let's get things going tomorrow. Do you know of any other wonderful diets? Comment on them in the space provided below. Remember to post your results in the comments section as well. Don't forget to click subscribe after hitting the like button on the video. And that was your daily bright brainy dose with me, Loreto. Thanks for watching.